Hello everyone, welcome to Demands and Paintings. Let's try something realistic today. I have taken the picture already and I'm done with the sketch also. You can choose your favorite method. I have used grid method here for details. So highlights and everything I have separated here. You can see. Let's begin with the light layer. Make sure the outlines are visible for you. Start with the dark shades. As you see, I prefer to go by mixing two colors simultaneously. I'm not blending it completely. I'm keeping the shades of blue and purple just like that. Keep the reference picture side by side. So complete the dark shades first. If you want to paint dairy milk, something like that, Pepsi and all those things, you can use the same colors. So I'm using violet and Persian blue. No need to hurry, take your time and do it slow. When you are taking two colors in a one go, it gives an abstract look. Like it gives a touch of some two shade. Not only one shade, two shade. You can see the blue also or the purple shade also with colors. So it's kind of abstract you are doing, like oil paintings and all. It looks so realistic. Let's continue with the lighter hue. I have mixed titanium white here. We'll come up with the sketch idea, how to divide the highlights, darkness and everything when you are drawing something realistic here. So you have to divide the parts, blocks and all. Blocking the sketch based on the colors is very important. If you are not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button. I will make sure to share my ideas, how I sketch, how I think, how I analyze the picture. We'll share the easy ideas of sketch, abstract, paintings, everything in further videos. Now let's continue with the highlighted parts, which is like a light shade, very light white you can see. So it gives a touch of lighting on the shiny paper. Blending is your choice. You can blend it completely if you want. I prefer to keep it a shade like that. Time to bake some cookies. I'm mixing burnt sienna, yellow ochre and titanium white here. As you see, I'm not blending it completely again. Continuing with the Brent Amber for cookie tray and the shades. For the highlight I'm using yellow ochre again. If you're a newbie, then I prefer you to paint the backgrounds first and details next. And now I am painting the background. I have mixed the denim white a little. I'm using flat brush. Sorry for the sunlight. I mixed a little black for the shadow play. It gives the 3D look. I'm doing it quick. Work on other things like little touch of lighting shades and designs on the paper. Red for the parley. Here I am using jelly roll for the outline because it contains the letters. Done with a short span of time. Just to explain, hope you like the process. Recreate this and mail it to me. I would love to feature it in the upcoming videos. Thank you.